Where does the name for Betws-yn-Rhos come from? So today I'm in Betws-yn-Rhos. It's a small village just south of Old Colwyn in Conwy County. Now the name's made of three parts. First we have Betws, which comes into Welsh from Old English, Betws. Bede means a prayer, but it also is given as the English word bead because of its association with prayer beads. And hws means house. So Betws was borrowed into Welsh as Betws, a bead house, a prayer house. Means in, and Rhos usually means a moor or a heath, but here it means the name of the cantref which it was in. Medieval Wales didn't have a system of counties, but it had a system of cantrefi and cymydau, smaller areas, a bit like 100 in England. The one that we're in now is Rhos, so literally it means the prayer house in the cantref of Rhos. Now, one of the most famous people to have lived in Betws-yn-Rhos is the famous poet, scholar and writer T. Gwyn Jones, who lived in a farm just outside of the town. Now, his most famous work, or my favourite one anyway, is a book called Y Madawiad Arthur, which is the leaving of Arthur, in which Arthur, King Arthur that is, prepares for the Battle of Camlan and speaks to his knight Bedwyr. They talk about a lot of things like industrialisation and the importance of preserving your culture and your language in the face of what seems like overwhelming odds. I think there's a lot to learn for us, and I think it's a great book. Check it out if you can. So one of the unusual things about Betws-yn-Rhos is its church. This one here was built in the 1838 to replace a medieval church, which feels like a bit of a shame to me, but it's unusual for its Gothic style and its octagonal turrets, which is pretty rare for a church in Wales. Now, another thing which a lot of people might not know is that the road through the middle of Betws-yn-Rhos is in fact a Roman road, and even now it's called Ffordd Rhufeinig, so the Roman road. Anyway, diolch. Subscribe for more, like and share with people that would be interested or live in the area, and if you want to support me in my quest to explain every place name in Wales, check out my Patreon. It's in the link in my bio. Diolch. Have a good one.